The text particularly tries to take into account that many of the readers of this book will be students from civil law systems. Full stop. Just as common law jurisdictions are not identical in their practice of the law, comma, neither is it possible to speak of one civil law system. Full stop. What binds all common law and all civil law systems is a shared heritage. Full stop. Where English common law has a different approach to a legal issue from the more traditional civil law approach, comma, a note will be given in the text. Full stop. The standard example of a civil law system used in this book is that of the Netherlands. Full stop. The section on terminology in context is not meant to teach the reader English law. Full stop. There are many standard textbooks for that purpose. Full stop. The aim of the text is simply to give the reader sufficient background knowledge in order to understand how the terms should be used. Full stop. For this reason, comma, few references are made to cases or statutes. Full stop. However, comma, a case will be named if it has become so associated with a legal concept that it has become a part of the terminology. Full stop. For example, comma, in the English law of tort, the rule governing a defendant a liability for the escape of a dangerous thing from his property is simply known by the case in which that rule was laid down. Full stop. Similarly, comma, references to section numbers in statutes are generally avoided as such references are relevant to English law, comma, but not to English legal terminology. Full stop.